I found RennWerks accidentally. I was looking up a reputable BMW shop on Yelp, and I found them, and I came here, and I've been bringing my vehicles here ever since, and I don't see any reason to ever stop doing that.
I've been to several other places for quotes and gotten a lot of, well, I can't really tell you what we're going to do or what we can't do. The owner was very upfront with me and told me what he felt I needed to have done, and I was really happy.
They're very flexible, so if I have a problem, I don't have to wait or make an appointment over the internet. I just call, and Mike says, just come in.
I actually recommend RennWerks to any of my friends or family who own a BMW, a Mercedes, or an Audi. I, hands down, blindly send people here.
We really stand behind our work, and one of the ways we validate that is with a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty. All the technicians are certified here. The goal is that every technician should be master certified. We try to choose technicians that are passionate and really care about the vehicles they love.
Great customer service. Mike came to where I work, took my car, brought it here, fixed the issue, and brought it back to me at my office, which is about 10 miles from here, and really solidified me as a customer for life.
In owning this business and running it, one of the things that I've learned most about this is working with the customers, and I think on a day-to-day basis that gives me the most pleasure. Just knowing they're happy or satisfied with the work that we've done, receiving the thank yous, emails, phone calls, or whatever, thanking us for making their lives a little bit easier and better. I think in the end of the day, that's what keeps me running this business, is just having their satisfaction, seeing them smile, and knowing they're happy with the work that we've done.